All right, welcome back. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell all your friends. I'm really desperate. Please, just please hit the like button. Go back on all my videos. Watch them all, please. So we are going to extract this guy here down in there. See, yeah. Let it heat up. Right there. Boom, you can see the hole. It sucked the solder out. All right, we got all of them done. This thing should pull right out now. Maybe not. Just gotta kind of move it around a little bit, kind of wiggle it around. And it destroyed something. There you go. So that's why you need practice. Yeah, it's just gonna rip all that up.